Hey guys, it's me, Augustin. Welcome back to my channel, Augustin's Favorite Things. Today, we are doing a taste test at the same time when we made this video. Fun fact! I'm going to try the rips first. These licorice rips. Rip. All right.
Are you going to try the red or the green?
The red. Sweet, but not that sour.
Can I try that piece?
It is kind of sour.
So, what's your, is it 5, 6, 7?
7. I
7?
give it a 7.
7 out of 10?
Mm.
It's good, actually.
I give it a 7. Not bad.
Not bad.
It's not that sour.
You need to drink some water? You have water right there. Okay, what do you want to try next? The sour worms?
I don't like sour worms.
You want this? Or the big old honey?
The beet honey. Nice. Yay. Okay, let's try this bit honey. I guess I'll
honey.
honey.
There you go.
Bit honey. Look, Mommy, it also comes in a wrapping. I want it.
Yes, it says made with real honey.
Made with real honey. Made with real honey. Whoa, that's a nice texture. Look at all the detail. Look at all the detail.
Kind of soft. I think you should have taken a bite. I ate a bite. Too big. It's sweet.
9. I give it a 9.
9. It's just so yummy. It's so sweet.
Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10.
I do taste the honey.
Honey. I feel like Pooh Bear now. With these sweet candies. That was yummy. I want to try another. By the way, I'm going to bite it, not eat the whole thing. Well, the baked old honey was delicious.
It was.
I would give it a 9. Wait, I want to find the cherry. Wait, I need to find the.
Does it say what it is?
No.
Wait. That's a cherry raspberry.
Yeah, but.
Well, no, it's not cherry. It's raspberry, cranberry, blueberry.
Look, it looks like Starburst.
Yeah, take a small piece. There you go. Give me the other piece to me so I can try it. What's the name of this one?
Mamba.
Very tasty.
Get it?
Oh, that's so yummy. So sweet. Tastes really good.
I give it a 14.
I love it.
This makes me go crazy. It makes me go nuts. So.
What do you want to try next?
Chester's popcorn. Cutting montage.
Does it smell yummy?
Oh, it smells like Cheetos.
Yeah? They kind of like Cheetos, but smaller, I think.
They look like fingers close to each other.
Fingers?
Close to each other. That's what I'm looking.
Oh my gosh, you didn't even show them. You just put it in your mouth. This is how they look.
I don't care.
I think you'll like them.
7 17.
17? Oh
17
my.
out of 20.
So I think these are your favorites so far?
Yep, one of my favorites so far.
What else do you want to try?
The graham cookies.
Okay, chocolate cookies. This one, oven baked.
Oven baked. My mommy puts the nuggets for lunch and dinner in the oven, the toaster oven. A toaster oven is a small, petite oven, not just a huge size one. It's a smaller one. It's like it's like a toaster, but a toaster-sized oven.
So you do not eat apple chicken anymore, right? The yogurt food?
No.
What do you eat now?
I eat nuggets.
Nuggets.
And carrots. Carrots. I love the carrots.
And the cheese.
And the cheese.
These cookies are so yummy.
Oh, it broke.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
They're really good.
I think it's gonna taste like this moon pie. The moon pie.
The moon pie has marshmallow in between. It's like a marshmallow sandwich.
18 out of 20.
You want to try the moon pie? Moon pie.
Pie from the moon? We're going to the moon? Nah.
Do you want to go to the moon one day?
Oh, yeah. When I will have a job at NASA. When I study.
You need to go to college first.
And study about space.
Yeah.
About what's all there. But I don't know what's at the back of the moon.
Look, oh, they're so cute. Look at that. I've never
so
seen
adorable.
their little package.
So
Look.
adorable. Give me that.
Oh, it has a lot of marshmallow in between. That's cool.
I can see the marshmallow.
You want me to cut it
Looks
open?
like a s'more.
Yeah.
Yeah. The moon looks different in the package. They even have a Facebook and Instagram.
They do, yeah.
What does it say?
And a Pinterest.
On Pinterest?
Oh, Twitter.
Twitter.
There you go.
It has a Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's like a s'more.
But
bread.
softer. It's like, it's soft, right?
It's like bread. 26 out of 30.
You need to drink some water.
So far, this is one of my favorites.
Oh, yeah? Oh, cool.
I can't stop eating this.
Awesome. Do you want to taste something else or are we done?
I'm tasting something else.
Yeah, what do you want to taste? What about the sour gummies? No? What about this, the snapped?
The cheese snap.
You want to try the cheese snap?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I think
The
this
moon
is
pie
the-
is delicious. I like it so far. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, cool.
And it's at the top of the Tasto board, which is a leaderboard of my ratings. It's even at the top of the Tasto board. Look.
Oh
See?
my. All the way to the top. I think my favorite is the mamba and the honey, the bit of honey.
That's mommy's bit. That's mommy's Tasto board.
Ooh, crunchy, yum. Cheesy, thin, and crispy, it says. Cheesy, thin, and crispy. Look, ooh, yum, 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 yum. It says 3 grams of protein. Your muscles are like what? Bedrock?
Tungsten with a titanium cover.
Oh, wow. That's gonna be strong.
Yep.
Okay.
There's titanium and tungsten inside.
Okay. I think we're all set with our taste test.
I have never seen how I feel with a starburst.
You've never tried Starburst?
I have one day. You gave me a starburst.
Oh, you did? You wanna try another one then?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna try what flavor? They have cherry, orange, strawberry, and lemon.
Cherry.
Oh, wait, but how are we gonna know? I think you get them mixed inside the little package because it just says original. So let's just open one of those.
Maybe.
Let's see what you get.
What do I get?
Oh, wait. I think there's an orange one. That's probably orange. And let's see what else you got in here. Oh, you got 2 orange. Well, try the orange. Okay, let me open this for you. Just take a tiny piece. You don't have to eat the whole thing.
I'll take a half bite.
Uh-huh. It's yummy.
Orangey. I think this is at the top of the tasto board. 55 out of 60. And the cheese it snapped. 45 out of 52.
So you liked everything so far. Did you? Which one was your least favorite? The licorice? The licorice was good. It didn't really taste like a lot of licorice to me.
It's my least favorite, but I still like it.
Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, I think we're all set, right? Want to say goodbye to our friends? You have the Twinkies here.
Yeah.
You want to eat this? You want to take a bite of the Twinkies?
Twinkie
Okay,
the
this
boy.
will be the last one, okay? It says golden sponge cake with creamy filling. Twinkies from Hostess.
I thought it was hostess
Hostess.
or hostess. Who knows?
You probably said it better than me. I don't know. You want to get one out?
They're
Okay,
really creamy.
pick one. Okay, just take a small bite.
Oh, there's some cream.
Ooh, yum, yum, yum. That looks so spongy.
It's squishy like a sponge. I think this is mostly what cowboys eat.
Cowboys? You think? Why?
Yeah. Because Twinkie the boy has a cowboy hat. I saw that as a mascot.
I think cowboys eat a lot of jerky, I think.
A jerky too.
They need all the protein for all the hard work they do, you know?
That's
Here you
all
go.
the cow.
We can ask Patty, our friend from Life with Patty. She has a son who is a cowboy. She can tell you what cowboys eat.
Ooh.
Ask Patty.
Oh. Patty, what do cowboys also eat? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Daddy is gonna go to Montana, where the series Yellowstone is supposed to be. I think next week he's gonna go to Montana for work.
Ooh.
There are lots of cowboys in Montana.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you so? How do you know?
Well, because I watched the show on the TV. Oh, I guess you really like the Twinkie. You almost ate the whole thing. Whoop.
Hunger has me crazy. I have fun.
This is like a mukbang video or whatever you call it.
A mukbang.
That. Well, that's gonna be your dinner. Use your napkin here. Okay. I think that's it for now. Okay, say goodbye to everybody. We have more. Augustine has more taste tests in his channel. We can link it below so they can check it out if they want. Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, you guys.
One taste for goodbye for our video.
Pringles. Are you gonna turn into that creeper on the bottle? You're turning green. Are you turning into creeper? You're gonna be a zombie? Creeper is a zombie, isn't he?
No.
No?
No. Creeper has 4 legs. Zombies have 2.
Oh, so what is creeper? Just like a monster?
A monster made of TNT. I mean, a heart made of TNT.
Oh, I know nothing about video games, don't I? No.
But I already played Roblox. I already know a lot of things. Okay, when you zoom into your character in Roblox, you can, don't go WASD. You could use the mouse, turn it different directions, so you can face where this is mouse, where you're walking.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks
See you later.
for
Thanks for
watching.
watching. Bye.